Chosen one, God has seen your tears. Every tear you have shed, every moment of pain, every whisper of doubt has been noticed in the heavenly courts. He is not turned away. He has reached out and wiped every tear from your eyes. Your sorrow is not ignored. Your patience is not in vain. The waiting, the struggles, the loneliness, and the nights of uncertainty, they are all being turned into a testimony. God is preparing a table for you, not just any table, but a table in the presence of kings, in the company of billionaires, among the mighty and the influential. Imagine it. The doors of wealth, favor, and honor are opening before you. What you thought impossible, what others said you could never achieve, God is setting it before you as a feast, a celebration of your faith, your perseverance, and your calling. You are being elevated. Those who once doubted you, those who overlooked you, those who underestimated your power and your potential, they will witness your rise. The table is not a symbol of material wealth alone. It is a symbol of divine alignment. It is the universe bending in your favor. Doors that were closed for decades are opening now. Opportunities that seemed far away are coming to you with speed. The favor of God surrounds you. Nothing can stop what has been prepared for you. Do not be afraid to step into the fullness of your calling. Your faith has not been small. It has been growing quietly, steadily, like a river carving valleys and mountains. Every step you took in obedience, even when unseen, has led you to this moment. Now, the table is set, the place is prepared, the seats of honor are ready. God Himself has declared your victory. There is no need to rush. Your timing is perfect because it is divine. Those who rise early without His guidance may gain temporary success. But you, chosen one, you are rising with eternal favor. Your success will be noticed not just in wealth, but in respect, influence, and authority. People will look at your life and say, "This is not luck. This is divine intervention." Every fear you had, every doubt you carried, every tear you thought was wasted, it is now the foundation of your triumph. God is turning your past struggles into testimonies, your trials into triumphs, and your faith into an unstoppable force. You are seated at the table before kings and billionaires. This is not by chance. It is the reward for believing when no one else did, for praying when answers seemed far, for holding on when everything in the natural said let go. The world may call you lucky or fortunate, but you know, deep in your heart, it is God who has lifted you. It is God who has prepared this honor for you. Receive it. Step into it. Walk boldly, knowing that your tears were not in vain. The waiting was not in vain. The struggle was not in vain. Your destiny is unfolding, and nothing can stop it. No fear, no doubt, no man or circumstance can remove what God has prepared for you. God's favor surrounds you like a shield. Every move you make is orchestrated, every opportunity divinely aligned. Those who rise against you will be confounded. Those who try to block your progress will find doors opening where they thought there were walls. The universe itself is rearranging to place you in your season of abundance. And as you sit at this table, in the presence of kings and billionaires, remember this: it is not just about wealth. It is about honor, influence, legacy. Your testimony will inspire nations. Your story will ignite hope in hearts that thought they were forgotten. You are a light in the darkness, a chosen vessel, a living example of divine timing and favor. Every gift, every opportunity, every breakthrough is being multiplied. What you ask in faith, what you have believed for, what you have longed to see, is coming to pass. The table before you is overflowing. It is more than enough. Your heart will be full. Your vision will expand. Your destiny will reach heights that others can only dream of. Do not despise the small beginnings, for they prepared you for greatness. Do not fear the challenges, for they strengthened your faith. Do not grieve over the tears, for they were the seed of your joy. God has seen, God knows, and God is acting. Rise, chosen one. The world is waiting to see your triumph. Kings and billionaires may look at you in wonder, but know that your seat at the table was ordained long before you ever imagined it. It was written in heaven. It is your divine inheritance. Walk boldly, Speak confidently, receive fully. Your tears have been wiped, your table is set, your season of glory has arrived. Sit, eat, celebrate, and let the world marvel at what God has done in you. This is your time. This is your moment. Everything you have believed for is now manifesting. I am chosen. I am seated. My tears are wiped. My table is set. I am honored. I am victorious. I am unstoppable. Every tear, every struggle, every doubt you carried is now the foundation of your triumph. God is turning your trials into testimony, your faith into a force no man can stop. You are seated at the table of honor, the table of favor, the table of destiny, the table of victory. Your struggles are finished. Your waiting is over. Your season has come. The tears you cried have watered the soil of your blessing. Your faith has opened the doors of heaven. The table is prepared, overflowing with abundance. The table is prepared, surrounded by kings and billionaires. The table is prepared, filled with honor, favor, and glory. Do not worry about how it will come. Do not worry about when it will arrive. God's timing is perfect. God's favor is unstoppable. The world may rush and scramble, but your steps are guided. The heavens are orchestrating your rise. Every move you make is aligned. Every opportunity is divinely appointed. I am seated at the table. I am honored before kings. I am favored among billionaires. My tears are wiped. My destiny is fulfilled. I am unstoppable. I am victorious. And now, hear this final prophecy over your life. The ground beneath you is shifting. The atmosphere around you is changing. What resisted you before can no longer stand in your presence. The chains of limitation, the walls of opposition, and the shadows of doubt, they are all breaking right now. The favor of God has gone ahead of you, preparing the way, and the glory of God is rising upon you like the dawn breaking over the horizon. Every delay that once held you back is turning into divine acceleration. Every closed door is becoming a grand entrance. Every tear you have ever shed has been counted, treasured, and transformed into a seed of victory. And now, that seed has matured, and the harvest is rushing toward you with unstoppable, divine speed. You are stepping into a realm where prayers are answered before they are even spoken, where doors open before you knock, where helpers appear without being called, and opportunities chase you down and overtake you. Your name is being announced in rooms you have never entered, and your influence is echoing in places you haven't even dreamed of yet. Kings are bowing in acknowledgement. Billionaires are recognizing your wisdom. Nations are watching, and heaven itself is endorsing your every step. Chosen one, God says, you will shine in places where others faded. You will prosper where others struggled. You will be honored where you were once ignored. Your story will become a prophecy to nations, a signpost for the faithful. Your testimony will be a doorway for others to step into their own destiny. Your rise is a signal from heaven that God lifts the humble and crowns the faithful. The days ahead are unlike anything you have ever imagined. You will walk into rooms where your name alone brings influence. You will sit at tables where decisions are made, and your voice will carry weight. Your ideas will inspire. Your vision will captivate. Your impact will be undeniable. The world is shifting beneath your favor, and every step you take is a step into divine authority. Heaven has not whispered your destiny quietly. It has announced it with power. Angels are aligning around you. Divine strategies are being downloaded into your mind. Doors that were never imagined are swinging open. Relationships, resources, and revelations that belong to you are moving swiftly into place. Every plan of the enemy is being overturned, every delay reversed, every injustice corrected. Your rise will be miraculous, unmistakable, and unstoppable. Chosen one, go forward with courage. Go forward with boldness. Go forward with unwavering faith. You are entering a divine realm where limitations do not exist, where opposition falls at your feet, where every plan of heaven conspires for your rise. The prophetic destiny over your life is not just coming, it is here, and it is unstoppable. This is your time, chosen one. This is your hour. This is your moment. The heavens have aligned, the earth is shifted, and your destiny is fully unstoppable.